Hey guys, I am so excited to share about this item with you. This is a 4-in-1 multifunctional play yard. So first off, it comes in this nice travel bag with handles to make it easy when you travel, if you need to take it with you. I was super excited to receive this in exchange for sharing my thoughts with you guys. So I'm going to take you through the whole setup process, show you how this works. You can see the bars popping into place here. There is a very thorough instruction manual in there as well that will help take you through every single step. So you're going to go ahead and get this main pack and play yard section set up, and you can see it popping into place there. Super convenient. It seems very high quality. These are all the extras that come with it. I was so impressed, and my husband could not believe what a thorough setup this is. So I'm going to go ahead and get the mattress in the bottom. I love that it snaps to the bottom to keep it in place, make sure it's not moving around on your child. There are also brakes right here that you can turn on if you want to keep it from moving. The bassinet section, you can see zips in here, and there are also extra security measures to make sure that stays in place. And you're also going to clasp it right here and then Velcro. And then you're also going to take these bars and pop those into place. And then again, you insert the mattress here, and it does snap into place again to make sure it's secure. Make sure it's not moving on your child. So this is the little diaper changing area, and it has some bars that pop into place. Super easy to click in there. And you're going to do that on both sides, and then see those pieces on the end, they clip right onto the play yard. And then again, for this extra secure, it zips onto the side there. It also has this awesome storage area, which I'll show you closer up later. Then it has this little portable bassinet. You can go ahead and get the little canopy set up, and that's got some toys on it. And that also snaps directly onto the play yard. So this is the storage area, the diaper changing area. Again, it zippers here to keep it secure. And the portable bassinet has these cute toys. You can adjust the canopy. It's super soft. Again, here is the extra clasp and zipper for the full bassinet size. Helps keep it in place. And the mattress it comes with seems a very good one for an infant. It's soft, but not too soft. My son really enjoyed it, and I'm going to be using this for my younger child, but he enjoyed it for a few minutes and checking it out. So the kids will love it too. Some of the features here, you can put like the milk bottle, pacifiers, diapers, and changing things, stuff like that. We absolutely love it and would highly recommend it. It is such a complete setup. You can't go wrong with it. Check it out.